Hi class, this is Dr. Hatami. Today we're going to talk about the organs of the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is made up of the primary organs and accessory organs. The primary organs are the male gonads, which is called testes. They are considered primary because they are responsible to produce sperm and male sex hormones such as testosterone. As you can see, testes are not located inside the body like abdominal cavity or pelvic cavity. They are located outside of the body. Inside of a sac of skin is called scrotum. So the testes are not located inside the body because they are very sensitive to temperature. As testes are responsible to produce sperm, and sperm develop properly only at a cooler temperature, so the testes hang outside the body in a sac of skin called the scrotum, which helps keep them cool. And then for the accessory organs, we have duct system and also we have some glands and then the external genitalia. Let's follow the path of sperm. So as we said, the testis, let me just color the testis as blue, is going to produce the sperm. Okay. And then this sperm, it would be sent to the next organ, which is the part of the duct system. It's called epididymis. From the testis, the sperm move into the epididymis, which this duct would be found just behind and above the testis, inside of the scrotum. The epididymis is a long coiled duct where sperm are stored and mature. I like to call it a training camp where the sperm get ready for action. Next, the sperm travel into the vas deferens. So then the next pass would be vas deferens, which is like a long highway carrying sperm upward toward the pelvic cavity. The vas deferens delivers the sperm into another duct, which is ejaculatory duct. So let's follow the sperm inside of the vas deferens. So as you can see, it's going inside of the pelvic cavity and then behind the urinary bladder. Then inside of the prostate gland, we have the ejaculatory duct. So this short duct. The duct inside the prostate gland, then from ejaculatory duct, sperm enter the urethra, which is a long organ passing through the prostate gland, passing through the floor of the pelvic cavity and passing through the penis, which then urethra will carry sperm out of the body during the ejaculation. Okay, so let's repeat that again. So we have testes inside of the scrotum and then epididymis. After that, we have vas deferens. Then the sperm would be drained into the ejaculatory duct. Now, sperm don't travel alone. During ejaculation, sperm mix with fluids from 3 glands to form seminal fluid or semen. Let's find these glands. Seminal vesicle. So seminal vesicle, these are paired glands, gonna be found just behind the urinary bladder, as you can see them here from the sagittal section, or here from the posterior view. Look at this. Here we have the seminal vesicle located behind the urinary bladder. They add a fluid rich in fructose, which provides energy for sperm. Then we have this single gland located just below the urinary bladder. which is called prostate gland. Prostate gland has a milky alkaline fluid that helps protect sperm. Then we have another paired gland, which is called bulbourethral gland, known as Cooper's gland. Which these paired glands found below the prostate, they release a mucus-like fluid that helps lubricate and neutralize the acidity in the urethra, as this mucus is alkaline as well. So together, the seminal vesicle, prostate gland, bulbourethral glands produce the fluid that carries and protects the sperm. Okay, so then let's review the male reproductive organ one more time. We talked about the primary organs, which are testes, responsible to produce sperm and sex hormones like testosterone. Then we talk about the duct system, which after testis sperm, it goes to the epididymis, then vas deferens, then the short duct within the prostate gland is called ejaculatory duct, which it doesn't consider as the organ. So it's just a duct. So that's the reason you cannot see in this table. And then after that, we have a urethra. So and then you have to know the function for each of these organs. The epididymis is a duct to carry the sperm, store the sperm, and also maturation of the sperm is happening inside of the epididymis. Then we have vas deferens is going to carry the sperm and also would be the storage for sperm before ejaculation. Then we have urethra is also conduct the sperm. We learned the urethra before in the urinary system, as would be the passageway for both sperm and urine. Then we talked about the accessory glands like seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and bulbourethral gland, which together they are going to make the seminal fluid to make the nutrients for the sperm, and also for give some kind of the alkaline environment for the sperm, so then they can survive easily. And then the last part of the accessory organs would be the organ of sexual intercourse, which is penis. Okay, then in the next videos, we're going to talk about the testes. So thank you so much.